Hello everyone, this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will cover what is a multiple inheritance. So it's a very important question in .NET interview. So today we will cover this. So firstly, you can click on create a new project and here we can choose a console app and click on the next. Here we can give the name, project name. So we are doing for multiple inheritance. Then we give name here multiple tense demo and click on the next and click on create. Okay, so firstly I can write here definition of the what is the definition, what is multiple inheritance, what is multiple inheritance. So in a multiple inheritance a class can inherit for more than one parents. For example, in C sharp we can not directly we can achieve a multiple inheritance. In C sharp we can achieve inheritance with the help of interfaces. So if we use if we want to use a multiple inheritance, so we do use the interfaces. So firstly I can write here the definition in multiple inheritance. A class can inherit from more than one parent, and in Sisha class in Sisha a class cannot inherit from multiple classes, but it can be inherited from multiple interfaces. So it's a very important and interview wise very important question, like how we can achieve multiple inheritance. So we can achieve multiple inheritance with the help of interfaces from multiple interfaces. So first here, what is the interface? This interface. So interface is a contract. Only here we can only give the declaration of the method, not a define like what we do in the method, only declare the method. Interface, a contract, only here we can write only method declarations. And in class, we can write the actual declaration, actual implementation we can do in the class. Sure. Implementation. For example, we have two interfaces. I, for example, we have a two interface. One is I fly able, and second one is I run able. And this is our interfaces. And then we make a class word. Here we inherit these both interfaces and give the implementation of these methods. Implementation implements both interfaces. I can explain you with the help of example. Firstly, we are using system. So we are using system, this keyword to import the namespaces, and then we write. Firstly, we can make the interface I, interface I, yes, interface I, fly, able, and here we can declare the method void and here we can give the declaration of the method, that is void fly, and after that we can make the next method, that is firstly we can add here namespace also, that's why it's giving error. Namespace, we can give a name multiple, sorry, multiple inheritance demo, and control fix formatting. And the next we are using interface, we are using this interface I enable. So you can write here interface I enable, and here we can make the method run, void run, and after that we can make a class where we insert both interfaces. So you can make a class word, and here we insert the I flyable, comma I runnable, and here we can implement the interface. We can click here, and here is implement interface, and here also for runnable, and here we can give the declaration of the method. For example, this is for example purpose, right dot right line, and what can fly, what can fly, and here console dot right line, what can run. After that we will make a new main program, that is class program. Here we can write static void main. This is the basic syntax, and here we can call the word class, that is a drive class. This class we can call, and we can create the object of that class. Word, word is equal to new word, and then we write word dot run and word dot fly, and like this way we can call these all the interface method. This is fly and this for run, and like that way we can achieve multiple inheritance in C sharp. So let's run the program. So here's the output. So it's a very important question in .NET interview, like how we can achieve a multiple inheritance. So you can give the answer. I think now you have a practical knowledge. We can achieve multiple inheritance with the help of interfaces, not with the help of classes, but, because in which we are using interface. So we can achieve multiple inheritance only with the help of interfaces. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Bye bye.